In this test you're learning, we will write a program, or you will write a program that asks the user for two strings. Once you have those strings, your program should return whether they are equal or not. So for example, you could do something like enter a string, and if I type apple, and if I type blue, then your program should say something like, are your strings equal? Question mark, and answer false. Okay, so we know that we need to ask the user for two strings. We know we need to compare the user's two strings, and finally we need to print or output the result of the string comparison. Okay, great. So I'll leave it to you to write the code that fulfills this program or these requirements. Great, I'll see you in the next video where we look at the solution.